If you are buying a diamond, cut is absolutely critical, because the more beautiful, the better that diamond is cut, the more beautiful your diamond will be, the more light return you're going to get from the diamond. And this is something that in the last 10, 20 years has been really very much brought to the forefront. So diamonds today, when they're cut to really precision cutting in every way. You know, that mainly it takes almost 3 days to cut a 1 carat good quality diamond. So what is it about this slide? People look at this slide and they see the numbers and the percentages and the angles and all of this stuff, and they, oh my gosh, do I need to go and memorize these numbers and angles and percentages? And the answer is absolutely not. There is no need. If you're cutting a diamond, then this is useful, and it's good to be within certain angles and proportions. But when you go to buy, you just need to have the right terminology, right? Because when diamonds are cut, they're typically cut into maybe 5 different ways, from poor to fair to good to very good and excellent. So if you're looking to buy a diamond, this is the one place we don't have any compromise whatsoever. We want an excellent cut diamond, because if you buy an excellent cut, it'll be the most beautiful you can buy. And here's an example of what happens. If we have a well-proportioned diamond, all the light, every little drop of light that goes in to the diamond will refract, and it'll just bounce around inside the stone, and it'll come back out through the top portion of the stone, either through the crown or through the table. And when we see all of that coming back, the light coming through the table is giving us the brilliance, and the light from all the way around the table and from the crown area is giving us what we call dispersion, which is where the white light is broken down to all the spectral hues. So really that's what we look for in a diamond. There isn't anything else. It's the brilliance and the dispersion, because after all, we're not looking for color in most diamonds. If on the other hand, we have a poorly cut diamond, let's say it was very deep, you can see here how a lot of light actually, it leaks out through the bottom of the pavilion of the stone. And as that light leaks out from the bottom, is not returning back to your eye, and therefore you're not seeing such a brilliant or dispersive stone. On the other hand, if you have a shallow, also the same thing is going to happen. You're going to get scattering of light, you're going to get some loss from the bottom, is not going to come out in the right way, and even a shallow stone is not necessarily going to be beautiful. They can even have circles inside, which are reflections of the girdle, because the pavilion is too shallow. When it comes to colored stones, well, we want to make sure that the color is improved. Now, if that means that I need to make it a little deeper to retain more color, then so be it. Or if I need to make it shallower so that it's not as dark, then so be it. So we've got a lot of tolerance with colored stones, but we have zero tolerance with diamonds.